The visualization feature in Napkin AI is great, but unfortunately, if you have been using this tool for quite some time, you probably have realized that the design is quite repetitive. If you're creating a content or design from your text, there is a good chance that the style or design will always look the same. While there is nothing wrong with that, after all, I think the design looks great. But if you want to present something that is unique every single time, this could be quite challenging. Fortunately, Napkin AI just added a new feature that lets you specify the kind of design that you want to use for your content. Now, let me show you how you can use this new custom feature in Napkin AI. Okay, I'm going to delete this first. And now I'm going to create some visualization based on this text. Of course, the process is quite simple. Just copy and paste the text, or you can upload a document, and then you can hover above the paragraph and click this bold icon and just wait for it to generate some visualization based on the content. So this process will take usually just a few seconds, and there you go. Now, normally you can select one of these options, but now there is this option that says customize. It's different because we don't just rely on AI, but the thing that we want to create, we can specify the design that we want to use for this particular content. So let me click this button, and you can specify the name or the design that you want to use. So I want to create, let's say, a funnel, which is probably not quite appropriate, but you can use it. So there are many types of funnel. It's just unfortunately they don't show you what the design look like, so you have to use your own imagination about how this design actually look. But anyway, let's select this option, and for the orientation you can select vertical, horizontal, or square, or you can just use the auto setting. But in this case, I want to create a more like horizontal content. And for the detail level, is quite interesting. You can make the text to be automatically adjust based on the design. It is basically giving AI flexibility about how basically how the text would look like on the design. Or you can also specify if you want to have a summary or a more detailed content. It's up to you, but in this case, I'm going to choose auto. And here, if you want to make the wordings to be close to your original content, then you can check this option and you can click apply. Now you'll see that it will apply a different design for the content, even though it is more appropriate for a comparison table, but I can use my free will, my flexibility to use a different design, and that's the point of this feature. And there you go, this is the result. It's quite interesting. Maybe not the best, but then again, it gives you some unique look for your document. Now let me select this one, and I can select some styles, or let's try this one. And there you go. Now you can download this, you can copy this to your document, you can do the adjustment, you can edit the content, change the color, etc. But that's basically how you can use the new customization feature in the Napkin AI. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.